Hello, and welcome. In today's data-driven world, having quick and reliable access to information is essential. However, collecting data manually from websites can be time-consuming, inefficient, and prone to errors. This is where web scraping becomes a powerful alternative. What is web scraping? Web scraping, also known as web harvesting or web data extraction, refers to the process of automatically collecting large volumes of data from websites. Instead of copying data manually, automated tools or scripts extract this information efficiently and in far less time. Most of the data extracted from websites is initially unstructured and stored in HTML format. To make it useful, this raw data must be converted into structured formats such as CSV files or stored in a database, allowing for meaningful analysis and application. How can web scraping be implemented? There are several ways to perform web scraping, using online scraping services, accessing public APIs, application programming interfaces, writing custom code using programming languages like Python. Some well-known platforms, such as Google, Twitter, Facebook, and Stack Overflow, offer structured access to their data through official APIs. These are often the best and most reliable sources for structured data. However, not all websites provide such access. Some may not offer an API, may restrict data usage, or may not be technologically equipped to serve large volumes of structured information. In such cases, web scraping becomes the most effective solution to extract and utilize the data you need. What's next? In the upcoming parts of this series, we'll explore the tools and techniques commonly used in web scraping, including libraries like BeautifulSoup, Selenium, and Scrapy, and walk you through building a basic web scraping project from start to finish. If you're interested in automating data collection or learning how to work with web data efficiently, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com